I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But I heard the UPS truck outside. You can't see it anymore. It's gone. But, you know, I was just like, all right, let me go see. And I run downstairs to this airlift performance. I told you guys that I was, I told you guys that there's a lot coming and a lot of money to be spent, and it's all going to be worth it. So here we go. Airlift performance boxes. And I guess I'll just do like an unboxing or whatever because I literally have nothing to do right now. So, yeah. All right. So, we're going to start the little unboxing. I guess this is a strut top, seeing as though I see one of them that poke through the box. Hopefully everything in the package is good, but let's see. Okay, so here's the booklet. Here's a strut mount, or I guess that's what it's called. So I believe this is the rear. Yeah, so this is just the rear. So these are the strut tops for the rear. So, okay. And then here's the bag. Hopefully you guys can see. And here's the air fittings. Oh, they already have Teflon tape on them and whatnot. That's good. And the adjustable wrench. So that's good. Let's see if I can get one of these struts out. Okay, boom. So here's the rear. Oh man, this is nice. I missed having bags. Granted, I still do miss it, seeing as though, they're not installed. But, yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, so I'll put this one over to the side. And I'm trying not to show like my address and stuff because I forgot to do it. Let's see how you open this one. Oh. This is probably the tank. Tank. Oh, it slides off. guys can see the preview of the polished tank. That nice finish. I can't wait. And on the E36, since the battery is in the rear, I'm told that installation is a bit easier because things are a little more accessible as opposed to routing the power and everything from the front of the car to the rear. So, yeah, that'll be a little bit of a help. And the only thing I'll need to do is the auxiliary power. Okay, so go back in there, go to the side, and so I'm pretty sure these are the fronts. Here's the bag. Here's the M3 sway bar end link, but I don't have an M3, so that's useless for me. The hard lines. Some more stuff. These are the ends of the hard lines, I'm guessing. And these are another reason I got bags is because camber adjustable, which I need. Ooh, this is so nice. I miss this so much. Like, you guys have no idea. And I'm hoping you guys can see it, but oh man, you guys don't understand. People who are not bagged don't understand. The ride quality and everything is just so, it's so convenient and it's so perfect. Like, when I tell you guys that when I bagged the Z, well, before I bagged the Z and I was on VCs, I was only taking like corners and exits and doing back roads at an average of like 60, maybe 70 max. And then on bags, I was doing like consistent 85 plus miles an hour because it's just such a good quality. Like, a lot of people think they're still using the technology from like 10-20 years ago, and that's not the case at all. This stuff is premium and top of the line. So this is all like the last of the stuff. Compressor. I got a single compressor. I didn't want to do a dual. And by the way, it's Saturday, and I ordered these, I believe, Thursday night at around like close to midnight, so it was basically Friday. And it literally arrived to my house in a day because I basically ordered it Friday and it's here Saturday, which is beautiful. Wow. Just wow. And this would really suck if the camera was not facing me, but I believe it is, so yeah. some tools. I believe this is the controller. Yes, it is. The magic. Oh man, oh my god, I can't wait. Hopefully the car is running this weekend, so maybe next weekend I can see if M-Style Motorsports can open one of their lifts for me, and we can get these things installed. Or, depending on how I feel, I may pay someone for assistance with the installation so I can get it done quicker, like in a day, because that'll be perfect to not have to go back to anywhere and do it. But I guess we'll see when that time comes. But yeah, this was the first unboxing. I'm not taking everything out because it doesn't make sense. But when we do the installation videos, it's not going to be like a how-to or anything. It's just going to be the bags getting installed. So yeah. Woo! Oh man, I'm so excited for this. And I hope you guys are too, because this is just the beginning. Like, if you think this is cool, just wait for what else I have. Like, there are so much stuff coming, so much custom stuff, so much everything. Like, it's just a matter of time before I just click confirm and order everything, because like, I'm not getting everything at once. I can, but I'm not going to, because I actually just don't have space to put everything. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.